Hey guys, welcome back to Shoney Small Engines. Have this Toro in that I just picked up real cheap on Facebook Marketplace. The problem with it was that the wheel broke off, so just have these guys on with the magnet right now because I'm prepping to weld this. So what I'm going to show you is how to fix something like this if your wheel falls off. You know, make sure you don't lose any of your parts. Okay, I got my wheel. I got the height adjuster, you know, all ready to go once I get this welded on. But I'm going to show you what I did so far was just ground down some of the rusty spot. I got a lot of the paint off and got this ready for just going to tack weld this on, get the magnets out of the way, and then we're going to weld and grind and weld and grind until we have a nice smooth strong surface, and then we'll put everything back together. I kind of protected my paint here a little bit so we don't get a lot of splatter on there when we're welding. Also, I'm going to touch this up with some paint. There's a paint that matches this red very well. I'll show you the name of it. And so I'm ready to go. I'm ready to put some tack welds on here, get this welded up, and then we'll put it all back together. All right, let's go through here and we're going to put a good strong bead this side. I'll probably do it from the other side. We'll grind it down, see if there's any hollow spots or missing spots, and then we'll, if we do, we'll touch that up. Turn it down a little bit. All right, we're here, knock some of this weld down. I don't want to take too much off. Let's get to the other side. All right, got a little spot right here I got to touch up here, and then it's got to fill in this hole a little bit, and then right here. And then kind of hollow these guys out. So a little more touch up. Just smooth this out a little bit. So we're good there. I'm just going to clean this up. I'm going to hit it with a sanding flap disc just to try to smooth it out a little bit so you don't see the ridges once we paint it. And then we'll let it dry and we'll put it back on. All right, this is nice and cool now. It's dry. So this is called Regal Red from Rust-Oleum, and it is a near identical match to this Toro Red. Now this is a little faded, so it's going to look a little bit brighter, but it's pretty close. This one's empty, so. All right, I'm gonna let that dry. I'll probably hit it one more time and then come back probably tomorrow and we'll put everything back together. So catch you guys tomorrow when this is all dry and we'll put it back together. All right guys, welcome back. It's been a day, let this dry. Looks decent. Most of this is gonna be covered anyway. So what we're gonna do is go ahead and put this bracket on. So One bolt goes through this way. Second one goes through here. These are 1/2 inch. All right, once that plate's on, I'm gonna come in from the back side with this knuckle, like that. And then this comes on with this piece sticking out. And this guy goes on, this bracket, with this piece sticking back. Now we'll come in with the washer and bolt from the front side. Make sure this piece in the back doesn't fall out. And then we tighten the bolt down from the back side. That'll hold everything in place. Tighten that down, and then this should go up and down. That's perfect. Now we'll come in with the wheel. Don't forget this little washer here. Thread that by hand as far as you can so you don't strip it. 1/2 inch bolt. Okay, there we go. That's it. Let's take it outside, roll it around, see if it works. Awesome, I like that. Thanks for watching, guys. If you have any questions, hit me up in the comments. Make sure you watch these other videos, check out my other content, and hit the like and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys next time. Thanks for watching.